Hear ye, there is a terrible eruption coming on the double. Prepare thine soul for the inevitable death of all citizens of Pompeii on the horizon. As the new saying goes, the Lord giveth and the Lord taketh away. Make like the Lord and take thy wives and children away from the surefire harm of the accursed Mount Vesuvius. Listen close, citizens of Pompeii, Italy, for the giant mountain lingering in the background of your city is about to explode. At its core, the reputable Mount Vesuvius is truly a volcano and is ready to erupt any moment now, with your best course of action being to leave as soon as possible.
Mount Vesuvius is a composite stratovolcano, meaning it's made up of pyroclastic flows, lava flows, and debris from lahars that accumulated to form the volcanic cone.
Mount Vesuvius will be an explosive eruption because under Mount Vesuvius, the tectonic plate it was on was torn, so it allows the heat from the Earth's mantle to melt the rock of the tectonic plate Vesuvius is on, building up massive amounts of pressure that will cause a violent explosion.
The plate tectonic setting of Mount Vesuvius is convergent. Euro-Asian plate to the north and the African plate to the south produced a subduction zone. A subduction zone is when two tectonic plates collided, causing one to be raised and the other to be pushed onto the Earth's surface. The plate that was pushed above can start forming volcanoes, with the subduction zone allowing it to heat up.
When the tectonic plate subducts, it melts. This creates the thick magma needed for eruptions. This makes an explosive eruption type because the torn plate under Vesuvius will get heated by the Earth's mantle due to it being torn, which causes pressure to form, which will eventually build up so much that it causes an eruption.
In terms of what you citizens of Pompeii can expect from the cataclysmic eruption, it shall be nothing but sheer death in high magnitude. There shall be unheard of amounts of lava and ash covering all of Pompeii, with the only outcome of residing in this area being death.
To prepare for this volcanic eruption, you should try to gather all of your belongings and loved ones and get as far away from Vesuvius as possible. Try your hardest to get a minimum of 12 miles away from the volcano, with the best distance being over 50 miles. While on your journey away, be prepared to give medical assistance to those who may be affected because even though you are further away, there is still loose debris that could go and strike one of your family members or someone that you know.
If you're looking for more information on volcanoes and how to avoid being hurt by them, you could go to these websites to look for additional information. The first website you can go to is the American Red Cross. The second one you can go to is the Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA. And lastly, you can find out more about volcanoes at Habitat for Humanity.